Meaning of demotion.
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 Demotion. Demotion refers to a reduction in rank, status, or position within an organization or company. It is the opposite of a promotion and typically involves a loss of salary, perks, and responsibilities. This can be a consequence of poor performance, restructuring, or other reasons. The result of demotion is often a blow to one's ego, as it can be seen as a sign of failure or incompetence. It can also lead to decreased job satisfaction, lower morale, and reduced motivation, which may impact individual and organizational performance.